What's up, guys? It's George here, and another great day of picking up boxes of diabetic test strips and flipping them and making money. And I've been coaching and working with a lot of people this year. It's been a lot of fun. But when working with people, you get to see patterns and why some people achieve success and get results, and while others don't. And so I wanted to just break this down simply because. There are some people who I coach and who reach out to me. They buy the course. They invest into coaching with me, and then in speaking with them, they're just like, how do you get business and everything? How can you do this? All these questions. How? And then when I find out what action they've taken, it's been little to none. I mean, they have everything that they need in the course to figure out how to do this business. But then, they've let a couple of months go by, and they haven't placed any ads or really done pretty much anything at all. And then, but yet they're dumbfounded and baffled that they're not getting any results. And then usually what happens is that those types of people, they're looking for the silver bullet. You know what? Can you teach me, what is the real secrets to doing this business? And, I know, you've been in this long enough, and, I know you probably have secrets that aren't taught in the course and this and that. And, yeah, sure. I've got accumulated a lot of knowledge. I'm also always figuring out new tricks and things like that. But the thing is, what I tell people is you don't need all of that. All of that is just icing on the cakes. But if you're not even doing the basics, if you're not doing the fundamental action steps like we teach in the course, then you don't need to worry about all the advanced marketing strategies. Stick to the basics. A lot of times you can find in your business if I speak with someone reaches out to me and they're maybe they've been in this for a while and they're not they're not getting that great of results with their business. What I'll always find is that they're somehow they've forgotten about the basics, and they're not doing the basic, simple actions, marketing, advertising, and so forth, the steps that we teach that are very simple to do. And the biggest thing is they're not being consistent in it. If you only get one thing from this video, it's to be consistent. Seriously, you don't have to be a rocket scientist to do this business. You can be a complete fool. You don't need a car. I know plenty of people who are doing this business who don't have a car. I just coached someone the other day, young man, he's 16 years old, did almost $6,000 in business in the last month, and he's only been doing this for a couple of months. I coach people of all ages and work with people. You don't need to be intelligent to do this business. That's what's nice about this business. The biggest thing is to be consistent. Stick to the simple, mundane, boring, but very simple, consistent marketing and advertising strategies, and then be consistent. If you, people, it's funny because I coach a lot of people with health, been coaching, one-on-one for years, and a lot of people don't realize that the ultimate secret, regardless of what diet strategy you want to do, to releasing weight, to getting fit and health, is being stupid consistent. A lot of people that have great bodies and are incredibly fit, they eat the same things over and over and over. They eat some different things and so forth, but for the most part, they have the exact same routine, have pretty much the same thing for breakfast every day. Most of the time have the same thing for lunch. They eat the same meals every week. It's the art of being consistent. There's a great book, real simple, short book, and I highly recommend it. It's called Do the Work. And I love it. It's just a stupid, simple book. But it's just, again, you can't, people like to, surpass the basics. I do jiu-jitsu. I've been training jiu-jitsu for 3 years now, and I've done martial arts most of my life. And it's funny because a lot of people will, they'll come in and they'll want to learn, they're new, they want to learn all these advanced moves, the leg locks and heel hooks and different advanced moves and everything. Yet all that's cool and it's great and it can be icing on the cake. But if you do jiu-jitsu, you know this, what I'm about to say. If you just practice one move and you just do that, You don't even have to do both sides, just one side. For example, like a Kimura or an arm bar, and you just become a beast at that one move and being consistent. You will be able to you'll be able to beat most people that you go against just because you have put so much mastery into that one move, where the other people who are trying to, they're diluting all their energy and focus into learning every, fancy dancy move in the world. Where if you're just consistent and you just focus on the basics and mastering the basic moves in martial arts, then you'll be able to beat most people that know all kinds. It's kind of like what Bruce Lee said. He said, more dangerous, I don't know the quote exactly, but it was something along the lines of, more dangerous is the man who practices one kick 10,000 times than the guy who knows 10,000 kicks but, has only done each one once. So guys, if you're not making money in this business in flipping medical commodities and diabetic test strips, which is a ridiculously easy business, out of every business I've ever done in my life, I think this is truly the easiest business that I've ever done. I mean, it's just so effortless and easy. Anybody can do this. If you're not making money in this business, then I know, without even needing to talk to you, that you're not sticking to the basics. You're skipping the basics. You're probably getting too sidetracked and focused on other kind of advanced marketing strategies, what kind of paid promotions you can do with Facebook and Instagram and things like that. You're not sticking to the basics, the very simple, boring, the old school marketing strategies that we teach diligently in the course. And then the biggest thing of all is that you're not being consistent. And I know that, because if you're doing the basics and you're being consistent, then you're going to be having more leads than time. You're going to be having a lot of leads come in. You're going to be having a growing business, and you're not going to be reaching out to me that you're not making money. So there's a lot of money. I'm not saying this to make anyone feel bad or anything like that, but you need people in your life. You need people like me in your life that is going to tell you how it is. And you're not going to grow if you just surround yourself with people in your life that just tell you what you want to hear and they don't tell you the truth. So the cold hard truth, guys, the money's out there. There's enough money out here for all of us to crush it in this business. Trust me, there's enough business out there. We live in a world just, flooded with diabetics, and it's just getting crazier. So take advantage of it. Take advantage of the money that's on the table. If you haven't bought this course yet, and you haven't done coaching with me, and you're looking for a way to make some extra income, some serious income, very easily and simply, then I highly recommend buy the course. Check the link in the description of this video, and or do coaching with me one-on-one, and I'll be glad and honored to help you. And most people, regardless if they've been in this business for years or they're brand new, when they do coaching with me, within the first 30 minutes, they're typically blown away and have received more than enough value, because I'm really good at bringing the value and helping people to get past breakthroughs. As a coach for many years, that's something that I specialize in, working with people one-on-one. So yeah, guys, you should be all making money. I hope you are. If you are making money, leave a comment below. Let me know. And until next time, guys, let's make it a great day, a great week, a great month, a great year. Let's make it a great life. See ya.